Hey guys, let's talk about sleep and how it literally affects all areas of your health. We know that sleep has a massive effect on things like your brain function and your cognition, your mental clarity, your ability to focus. We also know that it greatly affects your daily energy, which in turn has a massive effect on your metabolic function. This is why so many people who struggle with sleep issues also struggle to achieve and maintain a healthy weight. It definitely has a daily effect on your mood. We've seen that people with poor sleep tend to have real issues with certain mood disorders. You also know, you've heard about beauty sleep and the fact that sleep has an effect on your skin, how supple it is, how glowy it is, whether or not it's able to detox well. And then you know that sleep generally just affects your attitude during the day. However, really great sleep starts in the gut, and that is why Plexus has created yet another super safe and innovative product called Plexus Sleep Gummies. So let's talk about it. The active ingredient is the 5 milligrams of melatonin, which is both a sleep hormone and a neurotransmitter. We found that this 5 milligrams has been studied to say that it's safe. Now, I believe that Plexus Sleep should be used for seasons in your life. We'll talk more about that later, but that has to do with the fact that it does contain melatonin. Some other really incredible benefits is the prebiotic fiber, which I will just refer to as FOS, that's contained in sleep gummies, because this means that while you sleep, this prebiotic fiber goes to work to feed the beneficial bacteria in your gut. So you're literally balancing out the home of those microorganisms called your microbiome while you sleep. And listen, since sleep starts in the gut, this is so important, and it's something that's really not found out in the current marketplace. It also contains 1.7 grams of ashwagandha, which is an adaptogenic herb that helps you fall asleep quickly. That's one of my favorite things about Plexus Sleep. You take it, and within 30 minutes, you've got that sensation of just the cozy, relaxed feeling. It also contains GABA. This is a neurotransmitter that has a calming effect. It helps relieve those feelings of worry and stress and helps you begin to, again, get sleepy. Then it has lemon balm extract, which is a calming herb that promotes sleep. Now, for those of you guys that take a thyroid medication, you're going to definitely want to make sure that you're not taking it close to the Plexus Sleep Gummies. And this lemon balm extract is one of the reasons why. You want to give it a 4-hour stretch. Finally, it contains L-tryptophan, which is an amino acid that your body actually uses to make serotonin. You tend to get it from food sources. And L-tryptophan has, much like that Thanksgiving turkey dinner, that relaxing, calming effect. All of these work together to not only help you fall asleep faster, but stay asleep longer. And here's my favorite part. You don't wake up groggy. I've tried so many other sleep products on the market, and I either have nightmares or I wake up super groggy, kind of have that NyQuil effect. Here's some other benefits. Sleep gummies are sugar-free, gluten-free, they're vegan, and they're non-GMO. So I love the fact that this is an innovative product. Now let's talk about how to use it. Because of the melatonin source, you're going to want to use it for seasons. So this isn't a product that you want to take every day for the rest of your life. This is a product that I love for when I'm struggling with sleep. When I first started the gut health products through Plexus, I found that sleep was probably the very first side effect that I experienced, and it blew my mind. But that was 10 years ago, and now I'm 47. And so now I'm struggling with staying asleep at night based on my age and where my hormones are in life. So I would tell people, if you've got a cycle in the month where you feel like you've got a few days that you're really struggling with sleep, that's a great time to use it. It's perfect for travel, which usually means that your sleep is going to be a little dysregulated. It's also great for, let's say, college students who are going through an exam schedule and they might be struggling with sleep, or someone that has a job that creates problems with sleep, or even mamas. Hey, we know that as parents, especially parents of young ones, we often have dysregulated sleep due to our children's schedules. So use it as a means to help you sleep through certain seasons. Here's the other thing that I love about sleep. It's a gateway product, which means people try it once and they feel it. They feel good. They get that early small win. And what we know about Gateway products is that they introduce people to the love affair that they're going to have with our gut health system. So adding Plexus Sleep to Triplex, which is our gut health system, is a great way to get your friends and family members an early win. Who do you want to share this with? You want to share it with anyone struggling with sleep. 93% of Gen Z say they have a very difficult time falling asleep, especially due to the use of social media. Millennials, I think it's like 76 report that they really struggle with sleep due to worries about work. And can you believe the most sleep deprived generation is my generation, Generation X. So tell me there's not someone that you don't know that could really benefit from this affordable Gateway product that you can add on to any of our systems. Here's the best part. Plexus Sleep Gummies also contribute to your healthy microbiome. And we know that that's the heartbeat of health for all of us. So share away and tell us what you're loving about Plexus Sleep Gummies.